It's so hot. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. Hello, welcome back to Mayday in the Kitchen. I'm Mayday, and today we are going to have breakfast from around the world. This place is not too far from us, and I am very excited to try this. I've never heard of it, and it sounds very delicious, very good. You guys have probably heard of it. This is a staple dish for Hawaii. It is called Loco Moco, and they have it for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and even in the middle of the nights. We are going to try it today as a breakfast. I don't think the recipes are any different no matter what time of the day that you have it, but I heard from some Hawaiians that go to my work that Loco Moco is a delicious meal and that I should definitely try it. So that is what I'm going to do. On the last breakfast around the world, there were 2 different countries that we went to. This episode, I am only going to be going to Hawaii, so we are just going to have some Loco Moco, and that is it. I hope you guys aren't too upset about that. So to get started, I needed to cook some rice. I cooked it ahead of time because it takes a while and you have to kind of let it sit for a minute, but I cooked rice and I put some beef broth in it as well as water, so it has a little flavor to it. That is just going to sit over there. And now what we need to do is get our meat mixed up with all of our spices and stuff like that, and then we would have to set it aside for about 20 minutes in the fridge and do some other stuff. But yeah, so let's do that. So we are taking 1 pound of ground beef. I'm gonna add some salt to that and some pepper. And we have some Worcestershire. I have some Worcestershire sauce, and we are going to do 3 teaspoons of that. I need to dice my onion and throw some of that into my ground beef. Oh my gosh, that was scary. And now I need to add some garlic, 2 cloves or 1 teaspoon. Take my rings off. Now I'm going to mix it up. I'm forming patties. Now this is only enough for 4 patties, so I'm making sure that they're gonna all be about the same. There's a lot of onion. Maybe I did too much onion. Too much onion. Oh well. Okay, I just need to go put these patties in the fridge and I will be right back. Alright, while my patties are in the fridge, I am going to cook the rest of my onions. I need to chop them first though. That's smart. Okay, these ones are just a rough chop, so they don't have to be as small as that. Okay, so I'm going to turn the heat down to low and just let them cook for about another 10 minutes. Then we'll move on back to the patties. I am back with the patties. I put my onions in a bowl, set them aside. Now it is time to heat my pan up again. Ow! I don't like it. I don't like it at all. Oh my gosh. Already destroying my new kitchen. I believe these are done. So I'm gonna go ahead put them on a plate, and then cover them with foil so that they stay nice and warm, because we are almost done. I always say that and then like the video is like 10 minutes later. Okay, I'm using the same exact pan, and now I'm going to make the gravy. So the gravy, I need some more oil. Do I? Medium-high heat. I'm gonna add my mushrooms. So we have an entire thing of mushrooms, 8 ounces. I'm gonna throw that into my pan. And I did not get rid of any of the juices from my burgers or my patties. I'm just gonna let it all cook in the same juices. Are we here? Are we back? Okay. My mushrooms are done. I'm adding back my onions that I cooked a while back. That I already cooked. I am mixing those together, and then I'm going to add my beef broth. Beef broth right there. I need 2 cups. 2. Okay, and I need to add a little bit of salt and pepper. Soy sauce and Worcestershire. So here's some Worcestershire. 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. That works. I mean, honestly, it's all preference. It's good. I'm gonna give it a little stir. Okay, it is at a simmer. I'm turning it down to low heat. I scooped out about 1 tablespoon of the broth, and I'm mixing it with 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. And now I'm going to combine it, mix it up. Something wrong has happened with my gravy. I don't understand. So I'm going to try this again. I'm going to get 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. I'm just going to add some cold normal broth. Mix it up. Then I'm going to add it and stir it in. I think that's the better consistency that it should be. There we go. That is much better. So I'm going to take it and set it over there. Oh, we're almost done. I'm like sweating up a storm in here. Whew. Alright, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to plate it, and then I'm going to do my egg, because I don't want my egg to overcook while I'm plating it. So, okay, 2 plates. 1, 2. Rice. Just like that much. And then we have the beef patties on top. Beef patties on top. And then we're gonna get our gravy here. I feel like I need a spoon. A spoon. Gravy and gravy. I may have a new kitchen, but I'm still a hot mess. 1 egg. I'm gonna let my eggs cook, and then I'm gonna plate it, take some pictures, and I'll be right back. All right, we are done. It looks delicious. On the bottom, we have the rice, then the patty, then the gravy, then what is it called? Sunny side up egg with pepper and green onions on top, just to add some more color to it. It looks great in photos, all that. So I'm going to cut it now. Which one? I'm gonna cut this one. Oh my gosh. Let's go ahead and cut off some of the burger, the patty. And then we're gonna get some of the gravy, some rice, or some egg. I need some egg. Okay, I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try some more. Ah, it's such a big bite. Oh man, this is delicious. The only thing, only thing, I put too much salt. And that's my fault. That is not this recipe's fault. I put too much salt, I think, in the gravy when I was salting the mushrooms. But it still kind of like works. You just can't get too much gravy on your bite. But just a little bit of gravy, a little bit of egg, a little bit of patty. Ooh, yes. I want to thank my coworkers, Rhea and Kalani, for introducing me to this Hawaiian dish. It is amazing. I can't wait to finish the rest of this. I can't wait to show Rhea and Kalani that I made it, and it actually turned out pretty good. And yeah, I just wish that they were here to taste it themselves so that they could tell me if it is truly authentic or not. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We took a trip to Hawaii for breakfast around the world, and we got to eat this Loco Moco with rice, hamburger patty, gravy, and a fried egg on top. If you enjoyed it, please hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell notification so you can get reminded every beautiful Wednesday morning when I upload new videos like this one. That's it. That's all I have to say. Okay, I will see you guys next Wednesday. Bye!